Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delicious and nutritious recipe for all the diabetics out there, a quinoa and black bean salad. Let's jump right into the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup of quinoa, 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 red bell pepper, diced, 2 red onion, finely chopped, 4 cup of fresh cilantro chopped, juice of 2 limes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Now let's get started with the instructions. 1. Begin by cooking the quinoa according to the package instructions. Once cooked, let it cool down. 2. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, black beans, red bell pepper, red onion, and cilantro. 3. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Pour this dressing over the salad and toss everything together until well combined. This salad is perfect for diabetics because it is low in glycemic index, meaning it won't cause a spike in blood sugar levels. Quinoa is a great source of fiber and protein, which helps in managing blood sugar levels. Black beans are also high in fiber and protein, making this salad a nutritious and satisfying meal option. So there you have it, a simple and tasty quinoa and black bean salad that's not only delicious, but also diabetic friendly. Give it a try and let us know how you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.